Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to get on here before I do anything crafty tonight. Well, I have church in a little bit, so my crafting will be after church. But I received a couple of things in the mail. I got a piece of Happy Mail, and then I got an e-club kit from Scrapbooking with Me, Miss Edith and Melina. So I wanted to go through this. All I've done on this is just cut the bag open. This is from Miss Terry over at Terry's Paper Treasures. Oh my God. I'm sorry guys. I just got a little too excited when I pulled it out and realized what it was. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Look. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Ah. Yes. Guys. This stuff is the most beautiful. I do not know how she does this. It is just, it's stunning. She sent me some fall colored ribbon last month before last, and I used it like crazy. And now look at the Christmas colors. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is happiness. Oh my goodness. Terry, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to try to calm myself, but I am truly excited about this. Look at these colors. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know. I don't even know. Okay, I'm going to be nice and say go over to her Etsy store and buy her out. But I'm going to tell you what I really want to say is don't buy it because I want to go buy it all. But I can't do that. I cannot hoard it. But I want to. Oh my goodness. Terry, you have outdone yourself with these colors. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. So make sure, let me see if she put a business card in this one. She normally does. Yep. Okay. She said these will be in the shop by the weekend. So make sure. Oh, look at that. Thank you, Miss Terry. You know that this is going in one of my journals. Oh my goodness. So she said these will be in her shop by the weekend. So make sure you go over there and grab you some of these. And this is Terry's Paper Treasures on Etsy, and I will make sure to link her shop in the description box below. So make sure you go over there and get you some of those. Oh, they're beautiful. And then this is my e-club kit. And y'all know I love getting my kits from Scrapbooking with Me. Number one, I love the package that they put them in. Love, 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 love these packages. These are like waterproof envelopes. Oh my goodness, Terry, you're not going to believe it's going to all match perfectly. Wow, look at this, guys. And I'm already, look at this. I'm already seeing that my ribbon. Oh my goodness, look. Okay, let me calm myself. Let me go through my e-club kit. So it's this vintage style postcard. I love this. And there's another one there. Love it. And then Melina did give us a sneak peek and let us know that she was able to get some pom-pom ribbon trim for this kit. Love, love, love. I'm super excited about using that. And then this old ticket collection. It's the red colors. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have too much fun with that. Love that. Then it is this pack of Simple Stories die cuts, bits and pieces. Look at all of that. Oh my goodness. And then it is this full paper pad here. Cut that tape so that I can get this open. And look at this. What am I gonna make now? Ah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh wow, look at this. So this is the other part of it. Oh my goodness, I love all of this paper. Oh, and it's got some little cut aparts back there. Where was it? And look at that. Perfect. And then there is a bag of stuff. I love how they include the little blasting bags. Those are so much fun. I use them to make little envelopes. Oh, look. I got some red bling. Oh, some foam tape. That's going to go with some of those fussy cuts. And then there's some more of these little pieces of ephemera. Faux love it. And the, ooh, this paper feels nice. It is some different like scrapbook papers that are textured. That's almost like a linen. This has almost a burlap look and feel to it. Ooh, this feels so good. It's like almost like a washi paper. And then it's like, there's like a receipt there. And then this looks like coffee dyed paper here. Look at these. Aren't these adorable? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm trying to figure out, my mind is going 90 to nothing right now. Trying to figure out what I'm going to create. Okay. Oh, these go in there too. And then look at this. It's 27 self-adhesive brads and 5 chipboard pieces. Wow. That's going to be fun working with. And then all of these dollies. Oh, I am super excited about this. And these are some labels that I created. And you know, I have to say, it's pretty nice to get them in my kit. I love it. Okay, and look, that just matches so good. And then we've got some green and red cardstock. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I am going to run for now because, to be quite honest, I want to play with this stuff for a few minutes before I have to go to church. And I am going to figure out what I want to make with this. And then I don't know if I'll come back on tonight or if it will be tomorrow, but we are definitely going to make something using our November E-Club kit and this beautiful ribbon from Miss Terry over at Terry's Paper Treasures. So I am going to link scrapbookingwithme.com. I'm going to link them in the description box below because I believe it was yesterday Melina said that there may be 15 or 16 of these kits left over that you can purchase out of their store. And you want to do that. You absolutely want to go get one of these kits. And then I am going to link Miss Terry's Etsy store below. She said it will be the weekend before she gets these in there. But you might want to run over to her Etsy shop and favorite it so that you'll get a notification whenever she adds a new listing. Because I'm going to tell you, y'all better hope y'all get over there before I do, because I want a bunch of this. And I have worked with, I don't even know if I have any of her fall collection left. If I did, I would bring it out. But I have worked with it, and I absolutely love it. So to get the Christmas stuff, I am beyond ecstatic. I can't even tell you. So both scrapbookingwithme.com and Terry's Paper Treasures will be listed in the description box below. Make sure you go and check them out. And the other shop that you need to check out on Etsy, I've already done a little thing showing you some of this, and I've already been into the other pack of ephemera. So, but this is, I believe it's Gwen Offit Designs. I'll make sure to link her below. But she sells these packs of ephemera. It's 50 different pieces of ephemera for, I think it's $10. And then the more you buy, the cheaper it gets. So yeah, make sure you guys go check them out. Get you some goodies and let's play along together. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.